Hello and welcome to Chapter 10, Dimensional Analysis. Now we're using household measurements. So in this question here, the prescriber directs the patient to take 2 ounces of a laxative agent, citrate of magnesia, whenever necessary. How many tablespoons? So we're converting 2 ounces to tablespoons. So we're going to start with our 2 ounces, and we're going to use our conversion factor of 1 ounce, and that goes in the denominator, is equivalent to 2 tablespoons. Now I could have just put the capital T there. My ounces cancel, and I'm left with an answer of 4 tablespoons. We have 24 ounces, and we want to know how many cups is that equal to. So our conversion factor is 8 ounces is equivalent to 1 cup. My ounces cancel. 8 goes into 8 1 time, 8 goes into 24 3 times. 3 times 1, 3, and my units is cups. So my answer is 3 cups. An infant weighs 8 pounds, 11 ounces, and we're going to figure that out in ounces. So I'm just going to convert my 8 pounds. So 8 pounds, and that converts to 16 ounces is equivalent to 1 pound. My pounds cancel. 8 times 16 gives me 128 ounces. Plus I have to add on the 11 ounces. And that's 139 ounces total. Now we have milliliters to liters. And milliliters to liters, it gets a little bit more complicated in that most of us are not familiar with liters and milliliters. So here we have kilo, here we have our unit, so this is 1,000, this is just our unit, this is 1,000ths, and this is 1. So when we're taking our units this way, that's the way we're moving our 0. When we're taking our units this way, that's the way we're moving our 0. So here we're taking milliliters, and we're going this way. So we would move our 0. In med math, we really only use kilo, milli, and micro. And every time you skip one of these, you're going 3 decimal places. So to go from milli to liters, we have liters under the unit, grams, and liters, grams, and distance, but I can't think of what we call meter. So here we're going from milliliters to liters, so we're going this way. So we're going to move our decimal place that way 3 places. So right now I have 750. My decimal's out here. I'm going to move my decimal this way because that's how I want my units to go. And I'm going 3 places. So I would have 1 75/100 liter. We're going to convert 4.5 kilograms to an equivalent amount in grams. So I'm going from kilo to gram. So I'm going this way. So that's how I'm going to move my decimal. I'm going to move it that way 3 places. 1, 2, 3. This right here doesn't come in the problem right now as a med math. This is telling you what kind of solution or what kind of an IV you'll be grabbing. Right now what we're looking at is this. We're saying 1/2 liter is how many mLs. So we're going from liters to milliliters. So we're going this way. So we're moving our decimal to the right. So I have moving it 3 places. Here I have 1,750 mLs, and we want to know how many liters that is. So we're going from mLs to liters. So we're moving it, the decimal, this way 3 places. 1, 2, 3. Here we're going from micrograms to milligrams. So micrograms to milligrams. So I'm going this way. So that's how I'm moving my decimal. So right now I have 125. My decimal's here. I have to move it 3 places. So my answer would be now we're looking at 15 milligrams daily AC breakfast. That's before breakfast. So we want to change it to grams. So we're going from milligrams to grams. So that's the way we're moving our decimal. So right now we have 15. Our decimal's here. So we go 1, 2, 3. 0.015 grams. We're converting 4.5 kilograms to the unit grams, so we're going that way. So we have to move the decimal 3 places. 1, 2, 3. And I'll pick this up at part 2.